So what we have here is the Ford Maverick XL, and I wanted to put a hitch on it, so I went to Harbor Freight, bought this for 20 bucks, and I got some grade 8 bolts that are about 5 1/4, and the towing capacity on the Ford Maverick is about 2,000 pounds. I just wanted to be able to pull like a small trailer, maybe a small boat or a four-wheeler. So this is how I installed it, right down there, right in the center. So a quick, easy way to find the center, kind of between the E and the R, but you could actually just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then there's 13 on the other side. So that's the center. Now underneath, there's a rivet on each end, 2 rivets. You want to drill them out, and then you can remove this whole piece. You can leave it off, or what I did was I just took the time to trim around this. As you can see, just try to make it a little cleaner. And underneath I used 832 screws with a nut, washer nut, to put it back on. And here's the bolts I used. Now I did this about 6 months ago, and it looks like these are already starting to corrode. So I might take them off, clean them up, and paint them with some Rust-Oleum. But I used the 5 1/4 on the frame rail, and then these are just about 1 inch with some angle. You can see where I cut this out and kind of left it there, just bent it down. But I did not remove the spare tire. I mean, you could. And I did not take the bumper all apart. What I did was, you do one at a time. You drill a small pilot hole, and then you drill through. You don't want to drill through the plastic. If you're afraid of drilling right through, you can put a metal plate up here so you don't go all the way through. But I just took my time, and you can kind of feel it. I know other videos, they take the whole bumper off and everything. The worst part about it is drilling upside down, because you're going to have metal chips falling on you. So just wear gloves and a long sleeve shirt, that way the metal chips won't burn you. But drill it out, bolt it on so it don't move on you, and then you can go around to the other side and do the same thing. Now this seems to be holding up. I was worried about the motion going back and forth pulling the trailer. I didn't know if these would loosen up, so I was thinking of putting another bolt through here and a nut, but I might do that in the future. But it seems to be holding up pretty good now, but it turned out okay. Turned out all right. It does its job. Like I said, it's a hybrid, so it's only rated for about 2,000 miles or 2,000 pounds. But I just wanted something to pull a trailer around the yard, so I haven't hooked up the trailer lights or anything. That'll be in another video if I go that route. But for now, just pulling stuff around the yard, it works. So if you want to do it on the cheap, like I said, this was only $19.99 at Harbor Freight. I might have even had a coupon. And then get yourself a couple grade 8 bolts, and very inexpensive way of putting a hitch on.